Dear students, now we will discuss on writing skill and email writing skill. So, what is writing skill or importance of writing skill? So, writing occupies an important place in our personal, social, and cultural life. So, all scientific past history is recorded in writing. All scientific discoveries are passed from one country to another and from the one generation to another. So our education is based on writing. Our administration and government work are based on writing. So legal procedures are recorded in writing. If a rich man distributes his wealth among his children by word of mouth before death, his children will quarrel. If he writes a will, it is fine. So all literature is written down by poets, dramatics, aesthetics, novelistics, and critics. Then writing tips. Writing tips. So how to improve your writing skill? So cut the boring parts. Avoid unnecessary words. Don't write the drink was very delicious, but write the drink was delicious because the delicious is very tasty. So paint a picture, draw a picture, whatever possible, a picture brings out an idea better than the words. The sun is shining. Simple language. Use simple words and avoid the bombastic style. Call a spade and spade. Avoid highly than philosophical and technical words. They only confuse the ordinary reader. Practice writing all the time. All great writers say not a single day passes without the reading and writing line. So you must always keep in touch with writing. The next one, different types of writing. Creative writing, scientific writing, report writing, minutes writing, journalist writing, official letter writing, personal friendly family letter writing, test and exam, then notice. So there are the different types of writing. Then first one, creative writing. So creative writing means is original writing, history, science, economics. So these are not creative because they just record existing facts. But literature is creative writing. The writer imagines characters, stories, natural sciences, and events and expresses all this in the form of the narration, dialogue, and the description. So drama, poetry, fiction, all these belongs to create writing. So there are great masters: Shakespeare, Milton Johnson, Jane Austen, Tiruvallur, Kambar, then Bharadiyar, and also. So there are the great Indian writer also. So Tagore is the great Indian poet and dramatic and also story writer. So we read the creative writers and plus the relaxation and enrichment of our thoughts and refinement of our feelings. The next one, scientific writing. So scientific writing is matter of the fact writing. It gives all particulars about scientific experiments, observation and results. Next one, report writing. A committee or an individual is requested to study a problem or a situation and they submit a report. The members of the committee look it into all the aspects of problem and meet a number of people and collect all the information is possible. The report should be impartial and objective. The minutes of a meeting. So meetings of member of an organization are held often the secretary or some other possible a number of required to write the report of what has happened in the meeting, the resolution are passed in the meeting. The writer who writes the minutes must be careful to include all the particulars writing. The next one, journalist writing. So journalist writing refers to newspapers, reports and news stories. The newspapers have a good staff of reporters, sub-editors, editor to by editors and proof editors. They work as the team to give the readable news. The next one, official letter writing. Then official letter writing mean government officers and officers of the other organization exchange letter between them. They may be called the official letters or business letter. They use the minimum number of words and state the main points of a very few sentences. Personal, friendly, family letter writing. The personal letters are full the feelings of personal opinion and affairs. They are written in a simple then colloquial everyday language. The personal relationship expressed here, and also the friendly and family letter writing and same content to express it here. The next one, text exam. Students have to write the test and exams. This is the different from other forms of writing. The syllabus is that teachers gives essays and notes. Students learn them and answer the questions. The last one, notices. School headmasters, college principals and boss of the banks and the officers very often put up the notices on the notice board or send circulars. Here they refer to future meeting or exam, or sometimes refer to past events or achievements. Such notices are brief and matter of fact. The next one, how to writing the emails. So email also called the magic mail. The magic mail or email, and inland letter takes 2 to 4 days to reach the addressee. A letter to another country takes a week or more, but email is instantaneous, happening immediately. It reaches the other person in a few seconds. That is why it is the mail magic. Email means electronic mail. It is sent from one computer to another with the help to internet or satellite. The next one, clues to write the email or tips for to prepare the email. Then salutation, subject matter, dictionary, punctuation marks, emotion and smileys, brevity, be brief, be polite, reread. Then salutation or greetings. Hello, Mr., Doctor, Professor, Mrs. is good greeting. But among then intimate the friends or close relatives, hi, he, dear, they are also acceptable. The next one, subject matter. The subject matter should be an important one. Give a heading if possible so that the other person immediately understand what you want to say. The next one, dictionary. Have a dictionary at hand. If you get any doubt about the spelling or usage, you can refer to the dictionary. The next one, punctuation mark. You have to use commas and other punctuation marks carefully so that the meaning is clearly understood by others. Emotion or smileys. So emotion or smileys is a simple picture of the smile facing. It is a circle with dots and lines, eyes or lips. When you send email, include some smileys or express your feelings. The next one, brevity, be brief. Cut short and unnecessary details and include only the essential facts. Be polite. You must be polite. Use thank you, please, hope. This will help you and other such expression of courtesy. Then finally, reread. So revise your message before you press the button. Send. Mirror mistakes may be there. You should be correct them. That's all. Thank you.